Welcome to Guest Fire and Security. If you place high importance on the safety and security of your premises, then we should be your first port of call. Intruder alarm systems are designed to suit your needs. After a full security survey and consultation with you, the system will be designed around individual requirements, whether it be for the commercial or domestic environment. With the introduction of the modern pet-tolerant detectors, our systems can now cater for family pets as well. We offer a full monitoring service with an approved alarm receiving centre, as well as audible-only systems. Fire is a risk at home and at work. It costs UK businesses millions of pounds of damage every year, as well as jeopardising families, employees and customers. Many businesses never survive the devastation that a fire can wreak, but you can minimise the risk of fire on your premises with a fire detection and alarm system. These systems are an essential part of any commercial building, but equally vital in domestic properties too. For security and first-rate protection against fire, come to Guest Fire and Security. Visit us online today for more information.